This video shows you how to participate in an individual program. By browsing the platform, users can see the different programs and the communities targeted by these programs. These programs are classified according to their status, those in progress with open or closed registrations, or those that have been ended. By clicking on the thumbnail of their choice, users can access the program's interface. To register for this program, simply click on the Participate button and follow the suggested registration path. To facilitate registration, it is possible to create an account via SSO or social network accounts when these options are activated. Registration fields on the platform include mandatory and default field, first name, last name, email address, and password, as well as acceptance of the general terms of use and privacy policy. Additional registration fields can be added according to the community chosen by the user. The account is now created on the platform. The user can now become a participant in the program by first accepting the rules of the program. The participation name must then be defined by the participant as well as the category concerned. Before being able to access the rest of the participation form. The form is made up of default questions, participation name, image illustrating the proposition, summary of the submission, and category. Other questions on the form are defined upon program level. Once the form has been 100% completed, the participant can submit it. However, this does not prevent them from editing the form until the end of the current stage. You now know what the participant journey looks like for individual programs. If you need any further information, please contact our support team at help@agorize.com. Enjoy browsing our platform.